I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability. As a professional organizer, you help people bring order to their homes and offices. But what happens when accidents or misunderstandings occur? Professional Organizers Insurance is the solution to protect your business, reputation, and clients. Stay tuned to learn how this specialized coverage keeps your business secure while you focus on your craft. Organizing projects comes with unique risks. Accidental property damage. Moving items can lead to broken furniture or damaged walls. Insurance helps cover the repair or replacement costs. Clients' complaints. Losing or misplacing important items can lead to legal claims. On-the-job injuries. Lifting and rearranging can cause injury to you and your team. Workers' compensation insurance covers medical expenses and lost wages for employees. Without proper insurance, these risks can disrupt your business and lead to financial losses. Here's what Professional Organizers Insurance covers. General liability insurance, which protects against accidental property damage or third-party injuries. Professional liability insurance, which covers claims for negligence or errors in your services. Medical payments, pays for injuries sustained by clients or third parties during your work. Personal or advertising injury protects you from lawsuits involving reputation damage or misleading advertising. Choosing Professional Organizer Insurance offers affordable rates. Competitive coverage is starting as low as $1,500 annually. Quick claims processing, which minimizes downtime with fast resolutions. Custom policies, tailored options based on your services and risks. Compliance with regulations, coverage that meets state requirements to keep your business in line. These benefits ensure you're protected while building trust with your clients. Professional Organizer Insurance protects your project, reputation, and financial stability. Don't leave your business vulnerable to unexpected challenges. Visit contractorsliability.com or call us at the number on your screen to get a free quote today. Let's get you covered so you can focus on helping your clients stay organized.